Okay, so in the last video, we did explore a few nodes from the flow. And in this video, we'll see how other nodes are working. Let's start with audio node. So here you can put URL for an audio. It can be, for example, MP3 or .avi or any audio. But let me upload the video from my computer. Okay, and I did this. It's okay. So what I need to do, let me get back to ChatGPT and see home installation. Some keywords, or you know what? Let me just make a simple test. Trigger, and here say test audio. That's it. I'm not gonna make like something specific to this company. Here, all right. Allow the user to here to test audio. Okay, save and close. Add one other flow. Let's call it test audio. Save, and here I need to create audio node, then use this file, then save. Okay, it's saved. Then get back to triggers, and here in output I need to select this flow. So here, whenever a user said, "Hey, I want to test an audio," it will show that flow. Let's get back to the chatbot then. I want to test audio. Okay, let's see. I'm here to yes, I need to enable the trigger here. Okay, then ask the same question again. Great. Okay, so this is an audio node. Okay, what do we have else? Audio. We have GIF. Okay, let's say for example, the user finished the discussion, so we're gonna show it some GIF. Here, for example, we call this finish. And here we write whenever the user finish the discussion and thanks you. Okay, save. Then here create another one called finish, for example, and select GIF node. Here we can do search. Let's for example search by this word, and okay, by anyone, they are the same. Okay, let's choose this one. Save, get back to trigger, and here the output should be this flow. So right now, if I say it, for example, okay, thank you, I don't need anything else. Okay, first let's enable the trigger. It's called finish. Here, if we get back to the trigger, it said when the user finished the discussion and thanks you. So that's exactly what I did. Okay, thank you, I don't need anything else. So let's see if the AI will understand this. Okay, yeah, so this is the GIF animation. Okay, and we have another node. Let's say, for example, PDF node. Okay, PDF, maybe we need to take some keywords. First, create the trigger, home installation. Okay. Don't know how it's hello, the user, or to get informations about that keyword. Save. Then go back here and create a flow. Let's give it the same name. Then let's say, for example, for this home installation, I have a PDF that talk about this specific product of the company. So I need to create PDF nodes, then upload the PDF file. I already have few PDF files. Okay, let's upload one of them. Okay, it looks like this. Use. Then let's upload another one. No problem. PDF. Upload. Okay, this one. No, this is simple text. I want something else. Okay, this one also. Use. So it will show those two when the user asks about this specific keyword, home installation. So here we need to, like before, select the flow, save, enable that specific trigger. Will get triggered when the user asks about this. Then save, get back to the chatbot, and ask, what can you tell me about? And yeah, we have those two PDFs. This one you can download it in your PC, and this one. So audio node, GIF node, and PDF node. What else? Let's show another one. Okay, we have cards. I'll show you what card exactly means. It's basically an image with like a title description, and you can add a button. It's like a small card. Let's see here. Oops, online. It should be something similar to this one. This is a card, like a small thing with an image and some informations and some buttons. So let's say, for example, the user asks about a number of products for the company. It will show cards like this, or this one, for example, or anything else like this. Okay, say for example, product cards. Product cards. Yeah, this is a good example, like this one, for example. So here in our chatbot, we can actually show one card, or we can show a number of cards, but I'll explain this in the future. For now, let's show one card. First, I need specific product. Okay. Not make installation. No. Okay, this one. Yes, I need to create first flow or trigger. Same thing. Let's call this one products. And create a card. No, I need to an actual image for this card. Well, okay. Come on. Okay. Sorry about this. Copy image address. Then let me get back here. Put the image here. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be small. No problem. And the name or the title. And you can put, for example, like this. Something like this. Okay, and the description. What is a light? What is a LED bulb? Okay, let's just take any text. And for the button, show more. Then the link. The link is this link. Like, okay. So this is a product. Not a good image. Let's pick another one. Okay, this look good. Open, copy image. Okay, and for the second card, like for example this one, or let's see this one for example, the same thing. Last image, matter source, energy efficient. Okay. Okay, this one. Instead of copying the address, I can save the image on my PC. Then create the second card. Then upload the image. Okay. Use file. And here the name. Okay, and the text. Any text from the internet. No problem. because we're just testing now. And here I can show if I put button label, it will show the button, but if I let it empty like this, it will not show button, it will only show those three things. Okay, so here, no more. Then open this link, copy, and save. Okay. And then triggers, let's create one called view product. Okay, and here allow the user to see your main product. And flow, then product, save, then get back here and enable, and one more thing. Let's copy this. Okay, get back to the chatbot and see. I want to see your main product. Let's see. Great. So this is what we call it a card. It has an image, title, text, and a button. And this one will lead us to this page. And the same thing here. We have the same thing. Title, an image, and text, and a button. I think I did a small mistake here. Flow. Okay. Okay, let's see, for example, I remove this button label and button link. What will happen? Save, then get back and ask the same question. Or we can ask a similar question. The AI will pick up. Okay, come on, please. Okay, so here just an image without an image, title and text, but no button. But here we have the buttons. All right, so in this video we just explained those 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those 4 nodes: audio, GIF, PDF, and card. And of course, in the next videos we'll explain the rest. Thank you for watching.